They're fun and oh, are they messy? Wrapping paper everywhere, tape, scissors, gifts piling up. But thankfully, our professional organizer, Amy Payne, is here with some expert advice. Good morning.
Good morning.
Well, what do we do? I mean, it's already a mess right now. There's wrapping paper everywhere. How do we get ourselves organized?
Yes, organization is key during the holidays with all the crazy stuff going on. So with your holiday decorations and gift wrap, you want to definitely sort that out by category. So separate all of your gift wrap. With your gift wrap itself, I separate mine into Christmas and other. Other is any kind of other holidays, baby gifts, birthdays, stuff like that. But I separate the Christmas itself, and then I organize boxes, bags, tissue paper, and then etc. Both accessories and stuff. And I even have a little box that I keep that has scissors, tape, gift tags, and a Sharpie and a pen, things like that you would need to do your gift wrap. So you have one place, you go, you grab it out, you do your gift wrap. So then we have things like your decor. When you go to decorate for the holidays this year, doesn't matter what holiday it is, I separate my decor by holidays. I love that there's all different kinds of colored bins at the store. So you can get, pink for Easter, red for Christmas, brown for Thanksgiving, orange for Halloween. Separate your decor. And then when it comes to larger holidays like Christmas, people tend to go a little bit crazy with their decorations.
That's
I'm not
me.
Pointing fingers at Angie, but I already saw your Christmas tree. I mean, yeah, it's so pretty.
Thank you.
So when you decorate for Christmas specifically, or a holiday like that you have a lot of decor, you can do it one of two ways. You can separate by category. So you could put all of your ornaments together, all of your wreaths together, all of your, little, knickknacks together, however you want to do it. Or you can separate by the room that you decorate in. So let's say you've lived in the same place for a long time and you always decorate the living room the same way. You always decorate the kitchen the same way. You could sort it by the room that the decorations are going into so that next year when you pull it out, you have that room's decor all together in the same place. But now's the perfect time when you're putting it out. Get rid of anything that's broken or ruined or you really just don't like. If you've been holding on to something because someone gave it to you, but you don't really love it, get rid of it. And then definitely just keep the stuff that you absolutely love. Now is the perfect time to sell the things that you don't want. If you're an early decorator, you can actually get it sold before the holidays. So get in there, get it organized, get rid of the stuff that you don't use. And if it's there for memorabilia purposes instead of actually decorating, think about saving that into your keepsake pile and getting it out of your general decorating pile.
Great tips all the way around from Amy Payne. And I'm guessing if we're going to be taking things down this year, that would be a good time to get it organized for 2021.
Exactly.
Thank you, Amy. We'll be back with more local lifestyles right after this. Stay with us.